Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp group. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is, open your WhatsApp application. As you can see, I already opened my WhatsApp application. And after it opens, go to that chat or group in which you want to use Meta feature of WhatsApp. Just for showing you, I'll use it in a group. So I am tapping on this option groups. And here are my all WhatsApp groups. And from these, I will choose a specific group. So I choose this group. This is my study group. And here, how can I use the Meta AI feature? The only thing is tap on this message where I can write messages. And before writing your message, you will see 1 to 3 icon on the bottom left. Tap on it. And tap on this icon at the right and on the top. You can see here you can mention Meta AI. Tap on it. Now the Meta is enabled. Now write your question which you want to ask, like this is a study group. So here I can ask Meta to generate the image or write an assignment of my subject. Then after a while, Meta will write your assignment, tap on this send icon, then that assignment or picture will be sent to this group. So it's the fundamental way by which you can use the Meta AI on WhatsApp.